What's going on, YouTubers? It's your favorite hauler and junk diva back with another video.
And today you're coming along with us and we're going to show you some of the ins and outs of how we do estimates.
And if you like me and the JoJo, make sure you smash that like button. And if for some reason you're hitting that dislike button, you're a real life hater.
Maybe you can watch some of our videos and you can start doing a little bit better.
And get your money up. So we're heading on out. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's get this money, JoJo.
So we are at the first job of the day. This guy found us on a Google search and he's having to move and he has lots of stuff. So let's take a look at it.
Now, how we do estimates, when we show up to the property, we'll walk around a few times and calculate how much room it's going to take up in our dump truck. And this job right here is about 2.5 to 3 loads.
And really take your time and go through the property more than once. Pick up things, look underneath, make sure there's no concrete or tile, and check and see if there's things that are going to cost you more money.
Like a washer machine, some tires, or a mattress. If it costs you more money, you want to charge more money. And that's how we do it. Now here's the motivation of the day. 5 years ago, me and the JoJo, we were living in an apartment. We both were working at a job. Well, she liked her job. I hated my job. But anyways, other than that, we were broke. We didn't have no money to go out to eat or do things. Every once in a while we would do it, but really we were watching our money close.
Oh yeah, no, we were watching our money. We were just at a time in our life where, you know, money was scarce and we had to really watch it.
So starting this business and being my own boss and her being her own boss, it's life-changing.
It is. It's so life-changing. So don't look at your situation and where you're at right now and think that you could never ever get a dump truck or never ever buy a home, because, you know, we're living proof that it works.
So maybe you're sleeping in your mom's garage or your grandma's room that she has, extra room she has at the house. Anything is possible. I'm gonna tell you guys like this. When I got released from jail last time, I had nothing, not a driver's license. I had nothing, JoJo. And what happened?
Well, we went from nothing to something.
In 4 years, we bought a house, we got money in the bank, we can go out to eat whenever we want, we're making a killing, and it's like life-changing. I'm not stressed about money no more. People say money don't make you happy. Let me tell you one thing. It makes life a lot easier. I'm gonna tell you that.
I agree with the money doesn't buy happiness, but it definitely helps with stress and just feeling better and your sense of accomplishment, actually, to me, is almost better than the money.
So the main thing is you gotta believe in yourself, get out there and get your hustle on, grind, and really believe in yourself, and don't listen to none of that nonsense, people telling you ain't gonna do that or make that happen. Anything is possible, and we're living proof.
We are living proof, and we're also very firm believers in positivity. So the more positive you are in life, in your outlook, the more positive things are gonna come your way. So that seriously is our tip of the day. Be positive, and positive things will happen.
So the first load is done, and this is what we have left, JoJo.
Yep. When we come back, we're going to tackle the couches and the bulky stuff first.
Yeah.
Get that out of the way, and then fill it in with the rest of the stuff.
And then come back and grab the rest of the metal. So yeah, this is what's left, and it's not that much stuff left, JoJo. So the first load is complete, and JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
$87.
87?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say 112.
Okay.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Now let's talk a little bit of trash and some factors you want to factor in when pricing jobs. When you get that phone call, you want to find out what city the customer's in.
Yeah, you want to know how far you have to travel to the job.
because you might want to bump that full load price up a little bit more if you got to travel farther out.
Yeah.
And also you want to know exactly where the stuff is located at. Is it in the backyard? Is it in the basement? Is it upstairs or in the garage?
Yeah, or sometimes it's, down the side of a house and in the huge backyard or a big field. You never know, and those things will add also to your price.
Because if you got to go fetch the stuff, if we got to go fetch the stuff, we charge more money. And something else you want to do too is know what kind of material it is. Is it construction debris that weighs a lot? For us, we charge more money for stuff like that than cardboard.
Yep.
So those are some things you want to factor in when you're pricing jobs.
Also, if it's a hoarder house.
Oh yeah, I hate hoarder houses. But anyways, they pay good money, and we
do.
charge more money for that.
Yeah, they pay good money. And sometimes also you'll go to a job where things are still in the cupboards and the drawers, and you're having to like get clothes off the hangers and stuff. So you'll charge a little bit more for that because it's not really ready for you to just grab and go.
Yeah, like a storage unit you pull up to is a whole lot easier. You don't want to hit them with a super high price because you can pull up to it and get it done like in 20 minutes. But if it's a hoarder house, you got to go through the cupboards, you got to go through everything.
Yeah.
And it's more time consuming, and time is money, and money's time.
Yeah, and there's lots of things to factor in when you are pricing a job. How far is that job from the dump?
Oh yeah, you got to figure that out too. So there's so many things you got to factor in.
Yeah, so the questions that you ask a customer is super important in how you price the job.
Yeah, the first question I ask is where are you located at? Where's the stuff located at? What kind of stuff is it? Is it upstairs, downstairs, and stuff like that?
Yeah, those are important questions.
Now, if you want to make more money in this business right here, you got to learn how to upsell. Maybe you're at a job and there's a beat up shed on the side of the house, or maybe a hot tub that's just tore back. You can always upsell and let the customer know, hey, we knocked those down, we cut those up, and try to line a job up for a later date.
Yeah, other things you might come across are play sets and trampolines.
So you always want to upsell every job you go to, or try to some way, and get that money. So was 1,800 pounds at $132 a ton? I won, JoJo. It was $120. I was off by $8.
I was way off.
And damn, it feels good beating your ass.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I'll take that. So we are back for round number 2, and the plan is don't break nothing like the JoJo just broke something. But no, the real plan is to grab all the bulky stuff first. We're gonna grab all the couches, and then everything else will go on top. So here's the rest of the job. We got a bunch of couches, JoJo.
We do.
And please don't break nothing else.
Yeah, oops.
Oops.
It fell over.
And then we'll come back and do a metal run last, because we live next to the recycle place, West Coast Metals, so it makes life easy now.
It does. It's so awesome. Our new house is really, really close to the metal place, and it has made it so much more convenient.
So let's get this job done. Now, whenever you're doing estimates like this one right here, always check in the tall grass and along the fence. You'll always find something hidden in there. So the second load is done, and the tip of the day is communication with the customer. It got to be on point, because we came here, gave him the estimate. He said all this stuff on this side of the house goes. Then the wifey came home and she started pointing out more stuff on the other side of the house that she wanted to throw in the load.
Yeah.
Which we did not agree with. So maybe one item or 2 items is okay, but not a whole bunch of stuff. We gotta charge for our time. So.
Yeah, and what you did was perfect, because you were like, Oh, well, this was not part of the original estimate. And sometimes you just have to, speak up for yourself like that.
And put your foot down. But anyways, JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
Ooh, I'm going to say this time, I'm going to say 120.
120? I'm going to say 112 again.
Okay.
And let's see what happens.
That was a good number for you last time.
It was.
So this is what happens when you call a cheap hauler and they just dump your stuff on the side of the road instead of calling a good junk removal company like Sonoma Strong Hauling.
Look at them damn dirtbags dropping it off on the side of the road. Or maybe someone moved out over here and they drug it to the street. Either way, don't be that person. So JoJo, who's a hauler and baller of the week?
Miguel Nunez with Junk Hunters USA.
Check out that t-shirt. Haulin' and ballin', baby. I think he's from Orange County, California, representing.
And if you want to grab yourself one, check out the merch shelf down below. So if you haven't heard yet, the Haulers Ball date has been set. It is February 12th, so mark that on your calendar. Let us know if you're coming. Also, let us know how many people are coming with you. Send us an email to sonomastrongHauling@gmail.com. We'll put it right there. And let us know that you're coming. We'll put you on the list. It's going to be so much fun, and we can't wait to meet you all.
Now, this is why we charge so much, is because sometimes you'll show up to the landfill, and we've been here for how long? About 30 minutes already? And we're not even on the scale yet. Now, just for the record, I want you guys to see this. It was 1,200 pounds, and it was $79. That means I beat the JoJo twice today. Ha ha. So we are back for round number 3. So all this metal is gonna go to West Coast Metals where we can drop it off for the low. You ready, JoJo, or what?
Yeah.
She's gonna bag up all the cans and recycle those. We got these tires we'll take to the tire shop and drop them off there for a cheaper price. So yeah, we almost done for the day, JoJo.
Yeah, almost done.
Now, just like that, job is complete. And JoJo, what did we get?
We got the biggest tip we've ever gotten.
$400. Damn.
It's crazy. I had no idea he was going to do that. That was completely unexpected. So now we're going to take what we have back here to West Coast Metal. And I wonder, leave a comment down below. Are we going to get more money from the metal we recycle or from the cans we recycle?
I'm thinking the cans. You?
Yeah, probably the cans, because the metal really doesn't pay that much.
Not out here in California, so we're heading to West Coast Metals, and let's find out.
Let's find out. We're taking you with us.
Well, the only thing I know is going to be super close. I think it's going to be like $1 or $2 off. Someone's going to win. It's either going to be the cans or the metal. We'll find out. So, who do you think made more money? The can lady or the metal guy? JoJo, how much money did you make?
I made $39.60 for filling up one of the blue trash containers, and it wasn't even up all the way.
Damn, you made a killing.
I think so.
Do you think you beat me?
I don't know.
I made $28. The JoJo won. Damn.
Okay. 28 $8 and our back was full of metal. So that answers the question, because sometimes people will ask us. They'll ask us, how come you're not scrapping the metal? And you know, we do it when it's going to benefit us. We always recycle metal because that's the thing to do. But to take the time to, you know, to load it up and do just a metal run and put it in your back and then drive it to the metal place. Today it was worth it. Today it was worth it. But I can't believe, see, more in cans, way more in cans than a whole truck full of metal. That's crazy.
That is super crazy. So I guess we're going out to eat off this metal and cans.
Yeah, it says 70 extra dollars.
Here, take it, JoJo.
I think
Put it in
it's
your piggy
awesome.
bank.
You know, we also live right next to the metal place now. So we do this more often now.
So just like that, we're done for the day. And keep one thing in mind. What is your time worth? That's what you want to charge. For us, time is valuable.
Time is priceless.
So don't be a bottom feeder. If you want to buy a house like Matt and the JoJo and buy multiple vehicles, hit them with that price and don't be scared. But anyways, JoJo, how much money do we make today? Only thing I know is we made a killing today, and she got a $400 tip for being so sexy. That's all I know.
Yeah, that's what it was.
So if you guys like these videos, make sure you smash that like button, and we'll catch you on the next one.